If you've ever put your hands in the soil, you just know that the earth holds some powerful secrets. But I'll bet you'd be surprised to learn that one of its best-kept secrets has to do with how our bodies age. Now, for years, we've been told that the answer to feeling strong, to having firm skin and flexible joints, well, it comes in a tub of expensive powder. Today, I want to show you something better, something that grows right outside your door.
If you've ever found yourself spending a small fortune on collagen supplements or bone broth, I want you to know there is another path, a much gentler and, I believe, a more natural way. And it doesn't come from a factory. It comes from the earth itself, from your own garden, or even from a simple pot on a sunny windowsill.
The real secret, the honest truth, is that there are just 10 simple plants that can give your body every single building block it needs to create its own fresh collagen, far more effectively than any supplement you can buy. And to really understand why that is, it helps to first take a step back and ask, what is collagen really?
Well, you can think of collagen as the scaffolding that holds your body together. It's the essential protein that makes up your skin, your joints, your bones, even your hair and nails. And as we get older, especially after we turn 50, our body's natural ability to produce this scaffolding, it just slows down. And that's when we start to notice the changes.
Now, here is the part that so many of us have been led to misunderstand. When you eat collagen from a supplement or from bone broth, your body doesn't just absorb that collagen whole. It just doesn't work that way. Instead, your body is a brilliant builder. It breaks that supplement down into its raw materials, and then it uses those specific nutrients to build its own fresh, new collagen right where it's needed.
And these are the exact building blocks it's looking for. It needs vitamin C. It needs specific amino acids like glycine and proline. It needs key minerals like zinc and silica. And it needs antioxidants to protect its work. Every single plant we are about to discuss provides these essentials in a form your body can absorb and use beautifully. So, with that in mind, let's step into the garden.
Our first stop is the humble rose hip. After those beautiful rose petals have fallen, you'll find these small red fruits left behind on the bush. Well, they hold one of nature's most concentrated sources of vitamin C, and your body simply cannot make collagen without it. It's the master builder. All you need to do is harvest the hips in the fall, let them dry completely, and you can steep them into a wonderfully potent morning tea. What a simple way to give your body its most important tool.
Next up is reliable, humble kale. So easy to grow in a garden or even a large pot. And yes, it's packed with vitamin C. But what's truly special here are the antioxidants. I want you to think of them as a little security team for your body, protecting the valuable collagen you already have from damage. Just a few leaves in a daily smoothie or salad makes it a true powerhouse for preservation.
And then we have spinach. Now, its secret is in the chlorophyll, the very thing that makes it so green. Research has shown that chlorophyll actually helps to stimulate the production of something called pro-collagen. That's the precursor, the first step on the assembly line that your body turns into finished collagen. So adding a handful of spinach to your eggs or smoothie, well, it's like flipping the on switch at your body's own collagen factory.
Now, aloe vera is a genuine wonder. It's the only plant on our list that's been shown in studies to directly signal your cells to create brand new collagen. There's a compound in that clear inner gel that literally wakes up the little collagen factories in your skin. It thrives in a pot with hardly any care, and a spoonful of that gel in your morning water is one of the most direct ways you can support your skin from the inside out.
Next, let's talk about beans. You've probably heard how much bone broth is valued for its amino acids like glycine and proline. Well, the wonderful thing is that a simple garden bean is just loaded with these very same building blocks. A patch of beans soaking up the summer sun will reward you with a huge harvest for your soups and stews, providing the exact same raw materials, but in a gentle, plant-based form.
From the building blocks, we move to the architect. The beautiful, earthy beet provides a mineral that most of us completely overlook: silica. If collagen is the scaffolding, silica is the architect that makes sure it's built into a strong, flexible structure. Roasting some beets for dinner or grating them raw into a salad is a simple way to support not just your skin, but your bone density too.
And now for a garden favorite, all over the world, the tomato. Its real power comes from a nutrient called lycopene, and that power is truly unlocked when it's cooked. Think of lycopene as a kind of natural internal shield that helps protect your skin's collagen from the damaging effects of the sun. So every time you enjoy a warm tomato sauce, you're not just enjoying a meal, you're actively defending the collagen you already have.
All right, let's talk about a critical activator, zinc. You
You see, without enough zinc, the enzymes that actually build collagen, they simply can't do their job. The whole process stalls. And one of the very best plant-based sources of zinc is the pumpkin seed. A generous pumpkin patch gives you that wonderful fall harvest, and simply roasting those seeds gives your body the spark plug for its entire collagen production process. Sunflowers aren't just beautiful to look at. Their seeds are absolutely packed with vitamin E. If vitamin C is the builder, you can think of vitamin E as the maintenance crew. It's a powerful antioxidant that protects your existing collagen fibers from getting damaged and brittle. A handful of sunflower seeds is such a simple, powerful way to preserve the very structure that keeps you feeling strong and flexible.
So we've now looked at 9 incredible plants, but I've saved what just might be the most powerful and, I think, certainly the most surprising for last. It's a plant that millions of us are already growing, maybe right now, in our own backyards.
It is the simple strawberry. That's right. A handful of fresh strawberries picked from your own patch offers a level of collagen support that is truly exceptional, in many cases far surpassing what you'll find in an expensive supplement. It's just a brilliant reminder of how powerful simple, real food from the earth can be.
Now here's why it's so powerful. Strawberries work in 3 distinct ways. First, they are just bursting with vitamin C to help build new collagen. Second, they contain a special compound that actively helps to protect your existing collagen from being broken down. And third, their antioxidants help to calm inflammation, which is one of the key drivers of collagen loss. It's just amazing to think that your backyard may have been growing one of the world's best supplements all along.
So how do we bring all of this goodness together in our daily lives? Well, it can be beautifully simple. You could start your day with a warm cup of rose hip tea, or maybe blend a smoothie with fresh spinach and a handful of strawberries. You could sprinkle some pumpkin seeds on your morning oatmeal. Enjoy some cooked tomatoes and beets with your lunch or dinner. And a few times a week, just stir a little fresh aloe gel into your water. It truly can be that simple.
Your garden, those pots of soil on your balcony, they truly are the most powerful pharmacy you will ever own. Thank you, sincerely, for spending this time with me today. If you found this helpful, a simple like really does help this information find its way to others who might benefit from it. And if you'd like to continue this journey with me, please do subscribe. But most of all, I would genuinely love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below and tell me, which of these 10 plants are you most excited to grow first? I read every single one, and I love hearing from all of you. Until next time, take good care.